Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Falicia and quarantine has me feeling a certain type of way, so I decided to make a DIY candle video for y'all. Here's all the materials you'll need. For your convenience, I went ahead and put everything in the description down below. The most important item on this list that you'll need though is the aesthetic plant. You really can't do this tutorial without the aesthetic plant for sure. Starting off, you'll want to set up your jars. I'm using wooden candle wicks and they need to be assembled, so go ahead and just stick them into the little stand that they come with. I prefer using wooden wicks because they give off a cleaner burn. Not only that, they have a very comforting crackling sound when you light them. Cotton wicks work perfectly too though. You'll need to adhere the wicks to the jar so they don't fall over. Usually you use like these glue dot things, but I don't have any of those laying around, so I'm just using some double-sided tape and taping it down. You can wait until after your candles have cooled down to label them, but I do it now because my impulsive ass be like that sometimes. Now on to the technical part. I'm making approximately 4 12-ounce soy candles, so I'll need about 32 ounces of soy flake. The most important take back from this is that the ratio of soy wax flakes to fragrance oils needs to be at max 10%. So whatever you measure out in soy flakes, make sure to multiply it by 0.10. For example, I'm using 32 ounces of soy flakes. I'm going to multiply that by 0.10 and that leaves me with 3.2 ounces of fragrance oil. Once you have everything measured out, go ahead and get your double boiler ready with your soy wax. The double boiler is necessary to prevent the soy wax from burning at the bottom of your pot. Each soy wax has specific heating and cooling points, so make sure to pay attention to their manuals. Right now I'm using golden wax 464, so I need to heat it to 185 degrees to get the oil to adhere to the soy wax correctly. Once the wax has reached the correct temperature, go ahead and add your oil and stir with a metal spoon for 2 whole minutes. Once you're done stirring, you'll need to wait for your pouring temperature. For my wax, that is 135 degrees. When pouring, go ahead and make sure to pour as slow as you can. This prevents large air bubbles from being trapped inside your candle. After that, go ahead and let them cool overnight, and then you can use your wick trimmers to trim out the excess of the wicks. If you're curious to what fragrance my candles smell like, I'll leave an Etsy link down below. Yes, that's a shameless plug. After cooling, some of my candles had these little air bubbles at the top, but that's an easy fix. Go ahead and just use a heat gun and blast it for a little bit. If you have any other issues, Candle Science has a good troubleshooting guide. I'll leave the link down below for y'all. You'll want to let your candles cure for 3 to 7 days before lighting them, but other than that, you are good to go. I hope you all enjoyed. Leave a like if you did. Go ahead and comment down below what you'd like to see next. I love you guys, and I'll see you all next time. Look at those thunder thighs. Look at those thunder thighs.